Hey y'all, welcome to Ivy Forge. Anston here. So I'm just going to be doing a quick walkthrough of my shop. It's a little temporary shop that I have set up. It's 8x8, and let's go ahead and look at it now. All right, so here is my new tripod that I got for my phone. As you can see, it has a little phone adapter. I use a Motorola V20. It's used for recording video. It's actually what it's intended for. And then I also have a new camera. It's an Olympus Tough. All right, this is a 4K camera. All right, and I have it pointed down to my anvil, so that's going to give me some higher quality close-up shots for my videos. And then those that have seen it, right now I just have a 74-pound. It's a cast iron anvil. I don't know the brand of it. All right, and I made my own stand for that. And then over on this side is my forge. I do have the video playlist if you want to go check that out for that. I just use a little barbecue grill on the top. Alright, as you see, I've been using it. I need to clean it out. I do still have my blacksmith vise here. I need to make a stand for that. It is going to go, so I have my forge here, my anvil here, and I'm just going to make a little portable stand to where it'll be here, right, to complete the triangle. And then basically my shop, alright, it's an 8x8. It's a temporary shop. I am renting, so I don't want to have anything permanent. All right, just a couple storage cabinet in the back. I have a table that I picked up. It was a store going out of business, so I picked up. It's a stainless steel with a plastic top, and I picked it up for $30. It wasn't a bad deal. All right, y'all. So there it is. It's real simple, real basic. It gets me out of the weather for the most part. I do have my anvil right on the edge. I do try to set up whenever it's bad weather. I have a 10x10 canopy that I can put up that kind of keeps out a lot of water. This is just temporary structure, so it does have a lot of leaks in it. I just threw it together, very minimalist of materials, so it does leak a little bit. I try to come out here when it's not raining. Alright, so I do have a couple projects that I'm wanting to work on, and I'm going to leave it up to y'all of what you want to see most for my next upcoming videos. Alright. Alright, ball peen hammer. Alright, this I'm actually going to forge down, and I want to make a hammer eye punch. Alright, so I'm going to get this forged down and put it onto a handle. Alright, that way I can actually start making my own hammers and hammer eye punch. Alright, so if you want to see that one coming up, go ahead and shoot down in the comments like, yeah, hey, I want to see that. Alright, then I also have a chunk. This is actually out of a CV axle. Alright, it's the same thing that I made that drift out of. Alright, I'm going to use a portion of this, not all of it, alright, to actually make the drift for the hammer eyes. It should be plenty enough still, and this is hard. It's hard stuff. So hammer eye drift, if you want to see that one next, shoot down in the comments, say hey, let's check out that hammer eye drift, and I'll get that one started as well. Alright, also I do have some section of 1/2-inch round bar that I'm gonna make into the hammer eye tongs. I've never really made a set of those before, but if you look back at some of my previous videos, the few set of tongs that I did make, they're not beautiful by any means. I made them out of rebar. They are functional for the most part, but they're not very pretty. So I went and got some 1/2-inch round bar, and I'm actually going to make a nicer set of hammer eye tongs and get that going. So if you would like to see that one as well, shoot down in the comments that hey, yeah, let's check that out. So whatever gets the most votes that's what I'll work on next and post that up. Other than that, I'm basically just practicing, knocking out some of the S hooks, J hooks, some leaves. I'm trying to do that off camera. Basically, just getting my practice right. I'm getting some hammer control down, getting my swings down, and it's a lot of stuff. It's the basics. So even though I've been doing this for roughly a year in total, I haven't been out here forging every single day. So I'm still trying to, knock out some of the basics, trying to get some of those things that I need to do. But I do feel that I have enough control and enough of those things to be able to knock out some of these a little more intermediate to advanced type projects like a hammer eye punch. Okay. All right, so this is my shots, my setup. This is what I got going for me. I think this new tripod is going to be awesome, and it's definitely going to help with the videos, and also having the new 4K camera. That's awesome. Be able to get some really good quality video, especially up close to the anvil. All right, so give me a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't done so already. Okay, and don't forget to share, and catch you on the next one. All right, bye.